Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about country and roles. Okay, let's start. France, one of the most recognized and influential countries in the world. France is a rich and culturally diverse nation. In recent centuries, France has become one of the world's leading powers. Her literary and musical vanguards were developed. Inventions were created that marked the world, and gastronomy became an art. France became the most popular destination in the world. Paris is the capital, a classic destination for those who know its emotions or feel the romanticism of its streets. Roles. To travel to France, Colombian citizens don't require a short-term visa, tourist trips, family visit, or education of less than 90 days. 1. Passport in force. Valid for at least 3 months after leaving to the European territory. 2. One round-trip plane ticket. 3. A hotel reservation or accommodation certificate. 4. To be able to enter France, you must have proof of sufficient financial income. Traveler checks, bank card, and cash. 5. It is assumed that you must have medical expenses and reputation insurance that cover health risks in European territory. If you have all these requirements, you will be allowed to enter French territory. Okay, thank you, bye!